Hi everyone, this is Annette, PurplePaisley Planner. I'm just setting up right now. And here's this. And I got my Bath&BodyWorks box. I got 2 boxes. So let me turn my light on. I hope everyone can see me okay. Okay, let me send this chair. Okay, so again, this is Annette, PurplePaisley Planner. Did you get in on the goodies last week from Bath&BodyWorks? If you made a purchase, any purchase, it could be $6, $10, $20, you got a free candle. And so I'm going to show you the items I got. I did 2 separate purchases so I could get 2 candles. So, and I got it from Bath&BodyWorks right here. So let me show you my first item I got. And I got it in my, you got the checkerboard box that came in, which I'm going to show you the checkerboard box. Hold on. Let's see. I'm going to show you the box with the goodies that it came in. So this is one box. I'm not going to show you both boxes. But here's one box, see? So I got one box and I got the free candle. So let me show you, okay? So the first box, I got this item because I'm a planner girl. So I like doing planner things and I'm going to use this bag for my planners. So here's the first purchase I made. See, and it's a cute, they packaged it well. And this is what I got. So I got this bag, and it says it's pink, but it looks more lavender, more lavenderish to me, lavender. But this one was like $12.50, and I think I got this on sale. It was marked down, but this would be a good bag to keep my pins in, my pins, my stickers, my washi. So, and it says Bath&BodyWorks. And it takes out all this stuff out. Throw that out. They package this really well. See, it's nice and deep, see? So I could put my washi in here. See, I could put one of these washies. I could put that in there. I could put pins, more washies. Anything. My little sanitizer from Bath&BodyWorks. I can put that in there, but this is a perfect bag for that. Okay, so I got this, and right here it says Bath&BodyWorks. See, it says Bath&BodyWorks, and this is really pretty. This is really holographic, and it's really pretty. So I got that, and then I'm going to show you the candle, and the candle came in this box. Right here, and it says the world's best 3-wick candle, guaranteed. And let me open it. I didn't open it yet. I hope everyone got this candle. They're getting ready for autumn and fall. So this is the candle. See, it says White Barn, and it looks like this. Look. Let me move that out the way. See? I like the detailing. Look at that. It says white pumpkin. And it's pumpkins. Gold pumpkins. And see, this is normally $25. Look, it's normally $25 and 50 cents. And this candle was free. And see? And it smells 3 wicks. And it's a pretty candle. Oh, it smells so good. I am so ready for autumn. I know everyone's ready for autumn. But this is really pretty. Just make sure you look at your warning and everything. But look, this is really nice. For a $25 candle free with a purchase that I made a single purchase. This is so pretty. So I got that. And then I'm going to show you my other item. This is in the second box I got. this is going to be for my planners. Anytime when I'm doing journaling or anything like that, I'm going to be using this. And it came in this. This is so cute. You know how I like florals? And this is what came. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? This was marked down on sale too. It's the cutest little pouch. And look at, it comes, it got this plastic in there you can take out. And then it came with a, look, a little strap. So you got a strap that you could put on either end. Let me see. So you got a strap here. And you just hook it in. I'll put it on here. Makes it easy. I hope everyone's having a nice Labor Day. And it just snaps in. And I'm going to do the other one. Then I'm going to strap this one in. And it just snaps in. See? It snaps in. And I could put washi in here. Isn't this the cutest bag? Look at that. You could put pins and washi and anything on here. Your ID, you could strap it around you, but I'm just going to use this for my washi when I'm traveling. You could put makeup in here. It's a makeup bag too, I think. But that's just super pretty. And with how I'm going to decorate my craft room is mainly florals. I think this is just wonderful. So I got that. And then here goes the other candle. So here goes my other candle. Right here. So I got my freebie candle. Let me pull it out. Here's candle number 2. So isn't that nice? So I got 2 candles. That's $50 over. $50 for 2 candles for just buying something that was $10. So yeah, 12. You could get some for $6, $12, and that bag was marked down. So yeah, this was last week. So I hope everyone was lucky enough to get in on these candles. It gets you ready for the fall. So yes, I'm just loving that. Just nice, just nice. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click the notification button so you know when I go live or when I upload a video. Everyone stay positive and stay blessed. I love you all. Bye-bye. I'll bring this down. Bye.